So today I have two very special packages. I have one, the final one from Adidas, and I have this one from eBay. And this is going to be the Adidas slides, the Adilette, I believe, in iced tea. I did not buy the green tea ones because I do not actually wear slides. I don't like them, but I had to get at least one for the collection. You know, I got to do a little bit. And then this, I believe I know what it is, but we'll have to see when I open it, because I don't want to get that messed up. So let's start off with what we know. I know these look really cool, but I've never been a fan of it. I've always liked sneakers. Never really saw the point in these. But honestly, that box is absolutely crazy. This is like the reason I wanted to get them, is I saw these boxes. I was like, oh my gosh, they're so cool. I mean, it's got the half sun logo. It has the iced tea design all around it. Adidas and AriZona flashing back at you. It's really cool. On the side it has the type of slide it is, or shoe, Adilette, and it has a size. And it appears there's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe. If you look close, it has right on there a tab that you would find on a can, like that. That is really hilarious. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. But it has this tab here. I don't know if I'm supposed to open this up first. I think so, because there is a pull tab on the side, but I don't think it does anything. All right, so, ooh, Adidas, the Netherlands, I believe is what it was created. So there's the opening procedure. Then they come out just like that. Right here, has a little hook so that you can like put it on something and slide them in, I think. All right, so the box is empty, and here we have the slides. It smells like a new rubber. That's pretty funny. I mean, it's pretty much all rubber. Just normal tag, but there's the slides. They have the green stripes on white, and the Adidas logo right there. AriZona and Adidas logo there. The bottom is very plain, nothing special there, but you know, it's got the iced tea design throughout. They're kind of cool. I think the green teas might actually be a little bit better, but I'm not a fan of slides, so I can't really say anything. My favorite part about this is this box. That's it. Really, I really like the box. The box is really cool. So yeah, I guess you're supposed to like put these on here. You can just hang them up. That's funny. Alright, let's get into the second box. And this box is not in the best shape, but let's hope the product inside is. So I buy a lot of used AriZona gear on eBay because, you know, you can find really good deals and there's lots of interesting things. So that's where I get all of that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a very taped up package. Alright. There she is. Wow. Alright. It is what I thought it was. The Assassin's Creed green tea. Ginseng and honey. That's really cool. What the heck? This is just interesting. Like, I never knew that they made these. Like, I really didn't. It has a wrap on it, so I don't even know if this is real. But I don't even care if it's real or not. Whoever made this... Wait, peel to reveal? Oh, I guess it must be AriZona, because it has like this peel to reveal thing on it. I have no idea. But yeah, the whole thing, it's like plastic covered it. Wow. It's really interesting. I mean, that's a really cool style of can. It says it was a 2016, so this was only a few years ago, but I never saw them. Wow. Yeah, it's a 23-ounce can. It's got green tea in it, you can tell. It does have a dent in it, and that is pretty sad that it came with a dent. I didn't notice that on the photos. But limited edition collectible can. I know nothing about Assassin's Creed, so I really couldn't say much, but it has a really cool city design around it. Old times. It has some dude standing there. Follow your creed, remove the label to uncover your destiny. I don't know what this is, like this peeling thing. I'm not gonna do it, obviously. I'm assuming that there's probably like a giveaway or maybe free tickets, possibly, because it says Assassin's Creed only in theaters. Didn't even know they made a movie. But yeah, it's like any normal green tea can, but really cool. So that's awesome. I'm not gonna try on the slides because I really don't like to wear them, but here they are again. There's this one. I mean, it is a cool design. I bet I'll probably use them for slippers if I need to go outside and take the garbage out or whatever. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear them. The shoes is where I'm at. Those are really cool. Overall, though, Adidas and AriZona did a great job together, and I'm very glad that they came together, and I hope that they keep going. So, thank you guys for watching my videos. Have a great one.